Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called Turn ChatGPT into a Second Income Success. It's a PLR product, and I like to start at the end. It's $9.99, so that's cool. It's a great deal. And then this is the #1 search, whether it's artificial intelligence, AI, ChatGPT. It's all that same kind of, the computer's going to do the work for you and find you things and answer your questions and create things for you. So everybody wants to hear about it. Everybody wants to know how it works, how to use it, and how to make money from it. And that's what this is all about. This is put together. I'm going to dive inside in a second, but the part you're going to really love about this is it is ready to go. You can launch this today. So let's take a look inside and I'll show you what I mean. I think it's Dave Nicholson puts together these kind of products, and they are great graphics, completely ready to go. Here we go. Complete PLR package. You get, obviously, and I'm going to describe it as the typical PLR thing. You get an ebook, sales page, squeeze page, all the source files on the eCover graphics, so you can, edit things and so on. But basically, it is ready to go right now. Point and click setup. That's what they're saying. The mini site graphics, the sales page, squeeze page, source docs, the training, and how to make money with PLR, email swipes, download pages, PLR articles, everything's there. And I'm just going to scroll back into here, and here we go. This is what I want to show you. A demo of just how simple this is to edit using our complete point-and-click easy setup system. I'm not going to scroll this for you, but get that you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You go, hey, it looks just as good as it did on the video. You click the product box, which is like the thing at the beginning, and boom, you're on this page. You can see how quick it is to edit this, and that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you can buy 1,000 PLR products, and it's kind of like just PDF sitting on your hard drive. It's dumb. You can't actually sell it. This, the hottest trending search, so the hottest trending product, and it is ready to be launched in 1 minute. Just like change some things, put in your pay button, boom, you're up and running. So check this out. Again, $9.99, fresh out this morning, as hot as a pistol. Couldn't be anything better. Check this out. You can, like I say, watch the demo video there of how fast you can edit this, and you're going to go, hey, I think I can make money from this. That's what it's all about, is finding something hot and trending and ready to go that people are in demand, people are demanding, and serve the demand. When here you go. Turn ChatGPT into a second income success. Learn everything there is to know about ChatGPT. It's a PLR product ready to go today. I highly recommend it. And it's $10. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link in the video description and go check out the ChatGPT PLR product. Enjoy.